Hey guys, it's me, 𝐷𝐸mann. Welcome back to another video. I haven't filmed a video like this in a while, like a sit down, talk to the camera type of video. But today is May 20th, 2025. Tomorrow I graduate from my university, so that's exciting. I wanted to share with you guys like a get ready with me for tomorrow that I will be doing today, because I have a photo shoot today that I'm gonna go on campus, take some shots of like my outfit with my cap and gown, because I'm excited to show you guys my cap because I worked so hard on it. I am filming like a behind the scenes of what I'll be doing, so that video will be up before or after this, I'm not sure. We're together. But yeah, let's get started with this get ready with me because I'm excited to show you guys. So yeah, so this get ready with me is going to be like a chit chat get ready with me. I feel like a lot of girls don't understand to like prep your face before foundation. So these are my two bases that I'm going to be priming my face with. So today I'm going to be using the Bobbi Brown face base all-in-one primer slash moisturizer, and then I'm going to mix it with the 𝐿𝐹 Gel Yeah moisturizer to just get a little smooth feel, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be doing eyes, then like the face situation. So for my eyes, I'm not doing like an eyeshadow look today. It's just gonna be a quick liner with some lashes. Okay, we'll do like a soft eyeshadow look. Cool. Is focus. So I'm just taking this concealer, just blobbing it on my eyes as like a primer. If it gets under your eyelid, that's okay. I will be taking burnt orange, the shade right here, my crease area. We're going for like a soft glam look. I'm gonna take more of like a focus brush, taking sienna, just getting a little bit of that, and then just working my way from the outer to the inner for that blendish look. Taking a different concealer, just carving out the lid. Carved them out. Quick and easy look. And then taking my Renaissance palette and then taking Primavera, I think that's how you say it. Adding some Fix Plus to it. It looks really red right now because we gotta blend it all. Now let's just clean it up. So, adding like a highlight shade. Eyeliner time. So I'm just using the Stila Trust the Old liner. Fix up my wings because what is this? I don't know if you can see like really closely, like they're not even. So eyeliner 8. So I'm going to go in with the 𝐿𝐹 primer now. This is the Power Grip primer, the pink one from Target. That's like really good. Oh, primers are like the bomb.com. I don't even know why I said it like that, but you guys got the point. Mix. Gosh. Next, I will be using my foundation, which is the NARS Reflecting Light Foundation. It's in the shade M2.5 Sahil, so there's that. Concealer, using the Makeup Forever. Okay. Going to mix in my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Serum Elixir into the foundation to give that like glowy look. So just blobbing it on like so. Foundation, concealer, looks scary, but don't get scared, please. So let's go in with our cream product, so then afterwards we can just set it with everything. So just taking the NARS liquid blush in the shade Bubbly. My favorite, y'all. This is my favorite blush at the moment. So I just make like cute little hearts like on my cheeks, cause why not? And then I just add some of my nosy, cause my nose, oh my gosh. And then I just go in with the, oh gosh. And then I just go in with the _LLll Halo Glow Contour bronzer. And then I just like do that. I don't like doing my nose, but forehead. And then a little bit on here, because I already have like a, you know. But I just like to add like that bronzy look, if you know what I'm saying. And then just like pat it in. Using stipple motions, because if I start sweeping it, like swiping it, it's gonna budge the foundation. So just try using stipple motions instead of sweeping. I look like a penny. Despite that, because your girl is gonna put powder on it and set it, and it'll look better. Going to be using Easy Bake by Huda Beauty. This is my second time using this, first time using it on foundation, so I guess we'll do like a test trial on how it would look with everything on today. So just getting like one of these thingies, puffers, and then just setting my face. Kind of looks better. I kind of baked but didn't technically bake. Just letting that seep in for now, and then we'll like dust off the like powder. So I'm just gonna work on my waterline, you guys. So I'm just gonna take like a black liner and just like smudge. Gonna take like a stipple brush, what is it called? Just dusting off the excess. Gonna add a little bit more blush, so oh my gosh, that looks so bad. Y'all, that looks so freaking bad. Oh my gosh, I forgot to like wipe the excess off. Oh my goodness. Let me see if I could blend this out, cause oh my gosh. Ooh. Let's see. Okay, we're just gonna like, you know, forget it for at the moment because oh my gosh, like it's gonna wear off. Let's just hope it wears off. We move on to highlight, my favorite part. Taking the Anastasia 𝐓𝐔𝐍𝐃𝐒 highlighter. It was limited edition back in the day. And, you know, putting some in the inner corners because I love that. Like that. Going back to the eyes, I'm just gonna curl my lashes and then add like falsies because your girl does not have no lashes. She has no lashes, y'all. It's kind of upsetting. Cause how are you a girl with no lashes? Like, I don't know. Like, I just curled them. You can't even tell that I curled them because I don't have any, y'all. So what I'll be using is some of these falsies. Let's do a trial. So I will be using the Kiss Pret-A Porter. I think that's what it's called. But these falsies, they look very yummy. They look like this, but I'm using the ones that I already pre-cut and everything. Lashes are done, but I'm just gonna curl them because they look funny. Lashes are complete for now, and let's move on to lips, and then we'll be done with the face card. Okay, I'm gonna mix these two shades together. I'm going to be using NYX's lip liner in Cocoa, and then the NYX liquid lipstick in the shade 𝐿XXL01. So 01, it's the first one that is always on the shelf. And girl, let me tell you something, if you're gonna wear lip liner, please use a light lip shade because it looks like, so just a recommendation if you want, like, you know, a darker lip and then like a lighter like lipstick. It looks I'll show you guys with this. So lining my lips. I'm not overdrawing because ew. Okay, lined it. Taking this bad boy. I'm just gonna let that dry. Afterwards that I'm done, lipstick is still like tacky. Setting everything in place with a setting spray. So I'm just using the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Favorite, OG, top notch. You should try it out if you haven't tried it out. Yes, Mama. My mom is so funny, y'all. So there is her. Oh my gosh. Hi guys, raw cut of HeyyEmann. I'm so sorry, you guys are up and personal in my face. For some reason my camera cut off. Did not know it got cut off, so there's no ending. So I wanted to do like an outro, but I'm sorry there was no like up close and personal shots because again my camera got cut and the other camera that I was using, the files got corrupted, so it's just like. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give this video a thumbs up. I haven't done this type of video in like a while, so if you guys like join, like if you guys enjoy these type of like makeup videos, let me know down below, and I'll catch you guys in another video. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys soon. Bye guys.